Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if your Windows is not showing the thumbnails. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Make a right click at the start button, then you have to select File Explorer in the list of options. Now here, you need to click on this three dots, select options, and the folder options will appear. Now click on the View tab and make sure that you uncheck Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails. Click on Apply and click on OK. Then close this and then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type sysdm.cpl. Control Panel Item, click on that. Click on the Advanced tab and here you'll find Performance. Click on Settings. Make sure that you have checked Show Thumbnails instead of icons. Again, make sure to check this box. Click on Apply, click on OK, and then click on OK again. Then for the next method is go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Task Manager. Click on Task Manager under the Best Match, maximize it. Now simply search for Explorer. Make a right click and select Restart. Close this window and wait for all the icons on the taskbar to be back. And after that, you just need to open again your File Explorer. And this time, the thumbnails will be shown. Then for the last method is go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Disk Cleanup. Click on Disk Cleanup under the Best Match. Click on OK for the Windows C drive. And here you just need to simply choose thumbnails. And then you have to click on OK and click on Delete Files. And that's it. So if any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.